my lovely viewers. Thank you for coming back to watch my channel again. I'm so humbled. Thank you for subscribing too. Our family is increasing each day and that makes me so happy. If you're new with this channel, feel most welcome. This is the right place to be. Meet the lucky mom here. Deborah Nyanchuka is my name. I created this channel to give my viewers hope and encourage you to be optimistic. No situation is permanent. Once you choose to work with God, everything is possible. So feel most welcome. Let's share this journey of hope together. In case you've not subscribed, consider to subscribe. Today I want us to share wise ways on how to disarm a narcissist. Wise ways on how to disarm a narcissist. You know, the fact is that a narcissist will never change because they don't know whether they are doing whatever they are doing is wrong. So the fact is that you can't control somebody's reality unless we change our programming on how to live with them. It's possible. You can live here, a narcissist can live here, still in the same house, but if you have programmed yourself on how to live with them, it is going to be very easy for you. So for you to program on how to live with them, you need to learn some wise phrases to use to them so that you can disarm them, you can disengage them. You know, these people, they just want to engage you maybe in some negative attitude. Maybe these people, they lack empathy, so they can do anything bad to you so that they can take control over you. If you have realized that this person I'm living with, this can be your parents, can be your siblings, can be your partner, can be your boyfriend, girlfriend, husband, wife. If you have realized this is a narcissist I'm living with, you need to change your programming on how to live with them, because they will never change, because they don't know whether whatever they are doing is wrong, because they demand excessive admiration from others, and they feel that they need to take control every time. So these people will never change. So this I want to share some wise phrases you can use to them so that you can be able to live with them, and for you have your space. So for instance, maybe this is the person who is taking control over you every time, and you have learned like, this person wants to hurt me. Use this phrase: I'm sorry you feel that way. You know, at the back of his mind, maybe they came with an intention that they want a fight. Maybe they want to hurt you in any way, but you block them. I'm sorry you feel that way. You know, you disengage from further communication, because now if you have already said like that, don't apologize to a narcissist. If you apologize to a narcissist and start expressing how frustrated you become, you'll be wasting your time. If you start expressing your deeper feelings to a narcissist on how they have hurt you, they will not understand because they lack empathy. So what you can do, just block them with this, like, I'm sorry you feel that way. At the back of his mind or her mind, you have already disarmed them. They will not continue, because what are they going to continue? Because you have already blocked them. Yeah. Then they can call you names. This is the devaluation stage. They call you a dog, they call you you're not a wife material, they call you a failure. Let this not bother you. If you have that don't care spirit, now you have programmed yourself, you have that don't care spirit. Just tell this person, you know what, I have no right to control your false perception towards me. So that will make sense to this person, that you know what, even if I call him all the names, this one doesn't care. You have already disarmed this person. Tell them, you know what, I accept all the false perception you have towards me, all the names you call me. I accept. When you tell somebody, I don't have a right to control your false perception towards me, then it means they can't go further, because they know that you don't care. When you don't care, that don't care spirit, if you have that don't care spirit, is disarming them. They will not engage you. You have already disengaged them. Just accept you are a failure. Yeah, I accept what you feel about me. Or maybe you've gotten this person, maybe he has been cheating on you, and you have realized, you know, this narcissist, once you have realized that they have been cheating on you, they gaslighting you, they can call you names and devalue you, and you end up apologizing for their own mistakes. Let me say like that. So, you know what, if they start gaslighting you, like, now you know it's your fault, that is why I decided to look for another girlfriend, I decided to look for another boyfriend, it's your fault. They just gaslight you, they make you fear until you end up apologizing. Tell this person, you know what, I already knew this was happening, but I've not asked you, I'm comfortable with it. Now that you are gaslighting me, just tell them, you know what, you know your anger is not my responsibility. That one you need to remember. Remind them that even if now, you know, these are the people, they just want to gaslight you, get angry so that you can come and start soothing them, apologize to them so that they can calm down. If you've realized that this is a narcissist and they just want to take control over me, just to remind them, you know what, my dear, your anger is not my responsibility. Don't forget. So this will disengage this person. They will not continue gaslighting you. They will keep quiet because they realize that you don't care. But if they are angry, you don't care. That is a nice way you can live with these people, by the way. If you have that don't care spirit, it will be easy. What if it's a sibling? It's your brother or sister. They don't like you. If somebody doesn't like you, it's just a narcissist sibling. Just remind them, you know what, my sister, my brother, I know you don't love me. That one, you know, when you tell somebody that you are already aware for whatever they are doing with you, but still you are still living with them, they will not have a reason to continue arguing with you. Remind them, you know what, I know you hate me, yes, but I don't care. You have to choose your mind now. Some phrases that will disengage further conflicts or warfare. If you use those phrases, you are going to live with a narcissist in a very nice way. Even if they call you names, just accept. Just let them tell this person, I accept everything you talk about me. Anyway you see me, I just accept. I don't have any problem with that. Or they can tell you, you know what, even if I leave you right now, nobody will ever love you. You know, that is how when they are devaluing you, they just tell you some fun things. Accept. Tell them, you know what, I accept what you say. That is why I bow to your love and light. You know, if you become a don't care, you will survive for so long with a narcissist. So don't worry. You don't need to explain further. You can't change a narcissist unless you program the way you think, so that you can live with them nicely. If you like this video, thumbs up. You can subscribe to this channel for more sharing. May God bless you so much. See you next time. Bye.